Time to clean, everybody. Let's clean together. Come on, here we go. The living room's dirty. Let's clean it. The kitchen is dirty. Let's clean it. We are good kids. We work together. When our room is dirty, we clean to make it better, yeah. The bathroom is dirty. Come on, let's clean it. The bedroom is dirty. Let's clean it. We are good kids. We work together. When our room is dirty, we clean to make it better. Let's clean it, let's clean it, let's clean it, let's clean together. 'Cause we are good kids. We work together. When a room is dirty, yeah, we clean together.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you had a favorite part of the video, please put it in the comments below. I can't wait to read it. And remember, hit that subscribe and ding that bell, because you don't want to miss any of the videos coming out from Banyan Global Learning. Thanks a lot, guys.